Welcome to this demonstration of the SensoReader shared server solution. In this session, I will give an overview on how to use the backoffice, both as a librarian and as a user. When you select the SensoReader shared server solution, the library will receive an administrator account, allowing you to upload books and manage users. You can use this account to log on to the SensoReader backoffice. For this demo, I have created a new online library called Alexandria. I will now log on as the Alexandria administrator. Once logged on, you will see an overview of your SensoReader server. Next to your user info, the total number of users and books linked to your library are displayed. At the bottom right, you can easily select the maximum number of books a user can have on their bookshelf. By default, this is unlimited. At the left, you will see a navigation item with 5 different tabs. The first one is Overview, showing the information as currently on the screen. Then we have Books, where you can add your books to the SensoReader server. The next tab is Bookshelves, where you can manage the user bookshelf. Underneath is the Announcements tab, where you can send alerts to your users. The last tab is the Users tab, where you can easily add users to your online library. We will start with Users tab for now. When I click a tab, I get an overview of all users that are connected to this library. Since this is a new online library, the only user I can see is myself. To add a user, we can simply click on the Add User button. We can enter the username, password and other info and save the user. From this point on, this user will have access to your online library and is able to start lending books and reading them. An easier way is to simply import the users from Excel templates. You can download the templates from the backoffice and fill in the required fields. Once selected, the users will be imported and added to your online library. I will now upload a list of 9 demo users. As you can see, the users are now visible and we can easily edit or delete these users. Next up, we should upload some books to the library so users can start reading. To do this, we will go to the Books tab. We currently see an empty list, so we should start adding books. This works in a similar way as the users. We can add either one book at a time, or we can import multiple books. When we click the Add Book button, we can select the EPUB book or a zip-daisy book as the book file. We can also assign some metadata to a book. This is, for example, the title of the book, the author, the narrator, and many more options. The second way of adding books is to do bulk uploads. Using this method, the backoffice will attempt to extract the metadata from within the books itself. I can simply select multiple books and start the uploads. During this upload, the books are extracted and scanned for metadata. The metadata is filled in automatically and can be changed when the upload is completed. After the upload is completed, an overview will be shown. This overview will show the basic info, title and author on each book and indicate if the upload was successful or not. This overview can also be downloaded as an Excel file. As we can see, all 3 books have uploaded successfully, but the book Fire Safety has an incorrect title. To fix this, we can just simply edit the metadata before completing the imports. I will now change the title. And save the information. When the user accesses the backoffice, they will also see a link to the SensoReader apps. The SensoReader app is available for both Apple and Android devices. Users will need to log on using the same username and passwords. When the user logs on to the backoffice, they will only see 2 tabs. The Overview tab will show some information about their bookshelf, and in the Bookshelves tab, they can manage their bookshelf. So here we see the bookshelf contains one book. The book was added by the administrator. Users can simply add a book to the bookshelf and search by title and author or select the item from the list. I will now add the book Fire Safety to the bookshelf. User can also read a book from the browser itself. When the user presses the play button, the web reader will be launched and users can start reading a book. The web reader is fully accessible and users can pause a book, navigate by chapter, by sentence, or increase the volume and reading speeds. Users can also access a table of contents to start reading at a specific section.
Smoke alarms. If a fire starts to burn at home, a smoke alarm will give off an early warning. This early warning may give people time.
The entire navigation can also be done via the keyboards by pressing one of the shortcuts that is displayed on the buttons itself. I will now increase the reading speed and continue reading.
To get safely out of a burning house. Smoke alarms should be checked regularly to make sure they're working. A fire escape plan. Some families have a home fire escape plan. A home fire plan usually includes at least 2 different ways to get out of every room and out of the house. A special meeting place is arranged so a family can check that everyone is out of the house.
This concludes the demonstration. Please visit pro.sensei.com for more information or on how to contact us. Thank you very much.